Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Malaika Paul and I am from Agriculture University. Today I am here to give you a presentation on a topic of computer sciences, that is number systems hexadecimal. I hope you will enjoy and learn something from my this. On this slide, table of contents are present. You can see introduction of number system, characteristics, types, hexadecimal number system, hexadecision, hexadecimal to decimal conversions, and so on, and conclusions. Now moving to our first slide, what are number systems? As we have discussed before, a number system is the mathematical notation for expressing numbers while maintaining consistency in terms of the base and other symbols. Number systems are different ways that can be employed to represent and express numbers. Characteristics. Number 1, the digit. Number 2, the position in the number. Number 3, the base of the number system. The decimal number system holds the base 10. There are other such systems as well as like hexadecimal having base 16, binary having base 2, octal having base 8, and so on. Types. The four most common number system types are given below. Number 1, decimal number system having base 10. Number 2, binary number system having base 2, octal number system having base 8. And in the last, number 4, hexadecimal number system have base 16. Now coming to the point, hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system is very important as it defines its application in the numerous computer programming projects. This number system holds the base 16 and represent digits from 0 to 9 normally as 0, 1, 2, 3 to 9, and represent the number system onwards from 10 using alphabets, 10 as A, 11 as B, and so on to F as 15. We will discuss it in next slide briefly. These properties makes it this number system as alphanumeric system. Background and history. It is believed that hexadecimal number was developed in 1770 AD. 770 AD. This shows that they are not as ancient as decimal or the other number system. They were basically developed to calculate the long and lengthy calculation in the small fraction of time. Values. Now coming to the decimal and hexadecimal table values. These are the sum values of hexadecimal and decimal as shown in the table. From 0 to 9, hexadecimal and decimal having the same values. But moving from 10 decimal, hexadecimal takes 10 as A. As you can see, this, and decimal when is 11, hexadecimal takes it as B, and so on to F. 15 is F. Moving to next slide. This is hexadecision. That how hexadecision takes place. Conversion. Hexadecimal to decimal conversion. Let us take a hexadecimal number 2df 2d5f in base 16 and convert it to decimal base 10. We follow the same method of conversion as we did in binary conversion. Here we have 2D 5 and F. Here D is represented as 13 and F is represented as 15. So in order to convert hexadecimal to decimal, we have to multiply each digit present in the hexadecimal bracket with 16. 2 into 16, 13 into 16, 5 into 16, and 15 into 16. After doing this, we will give power from right hand side to all the brackets present here. After summing up all of these numbers, we will get these digits and mark a decimal base 10. Example of converting from hexadecimal to decimal. Take the number 34F means 15. F here F is equal to 15. Now we will multiply all the digits present in this bracket with the base 16 like this and giving power to all brackets from right hand side. And after solving we will get this number having a base 10, that is decimal. Here how it is converted, hexadecimal to decimal. Decimal to hexadecimal, more conversions are present here. Now suppose we have a decimal number, this we will divide with 16, we will get a quotient 725 and remainder 15, that is equal to F in hexadecimal. After dividing all the next quotients with 16, we will get quotients and remainders side by side. We will sum up all the remainders as 2, this is D 5 F. Here this is converted to hexadecimal. Decimal is converted into hexadecimal value. This is another example of decimal to hexa, as we have discussed before in the previous slide. After doing all the calculations, we'll sum up all the remainders, so we will get decimal converted into hexadecimal. These are some examples of hexadecimal to binary conversion we have done before. Have a look. Another example, let's convert 3A hexa to binary. 3A hexa to binary means 3A. A is here 10. Now we will multiply base 16 with each number present in a bracket. 3 into 16 and 10, that is A, in hexadecimal values with 16, and giving powers from right side to each bracket. After solving this, we will get 58 digit in a bracket having decimal base. Binary to hexadecimal conversion method. Step 1. Divide the binary digits into group of the 4 starting from the right. Step 2. Combine each group of 4 binary digits to one hexadecimal digit. For any questions and queries you may ask.